Okay, so today I'm going to be lecturing about a concept called the area method. So here I have a lesson plan, I have a lesson template that is provided by the teacher, and it is going to be about the area method for like multiplying like polynomials or stuff like that. So in this example, we have we have algebra tiles that we can use to basically we can use them to like model solving a polynomial such as this one. So first, how do we read algebra tiles? Well, we know that for this thing, we know that the width, this square is like 1, so basically so basically there are the perimeter of this is going to be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4. Hold on, let me separate. So that, and then we know that the area is basically length times width, so it's 1 times 1 equals 1. That's going to be the area for this small cube right here. Okay, now for the second, how do you read this one? It's basically a tile, but this is a rectangle. So then we know that the perimeter is, we know that this side is going to be x, this is going to be 1. So perimeter equals, add up all the sides, we get x plus 1 plus x plus 1 equals 2x plus 2. For this one, we know that since all the sides are equal, for this square, we know that this is going to be x right here. So then we say our area perimeter equals x plus x, which equals 4x. And then, so the area is basically easy. It's just x times length times width. So x times x times x equals x squared for that. So now from this concept, I'm going to present an example where I'm going to multiply this polynomial using the area method. So for this, I'm going to create tile. I'm going to create tiles to solve this. So this is how we do it. I'm going to draw an X tile right here, another X tile right here, and then this will be X, this will be X, this is blah blah blah, and then X times X, this will become X squared. And since I want to do x plus 2 on this side, on this top side, I'm going to put two small tile squares, which is basically this one, two of those. So it's going to be 1 and 1, and then this, and then for this one is I'm just going to put one tile. One tile square for that one, so it's 1. So then x plus 2, so x plus 2, 1 here, 1 here, and then x plus 1, so it's 1 here, x. So now we have, like, for this, so then completing this, we have 2 more tiles. So once we have, hold on. Oh, okay, so this will be 1. So basically, we basically will count up all of the tiles. We basically include count up all of these. We don't include these because this is arbitrary. So the answer will be, you see x squared, there's 3 x's plus 2, and that's it. Now I want you guys to try this problem. You can pause the video and try it out yourself. Okay, now I'm going to, after you paused it, I'm going to show you the solution to this problem. So there, we're going to use x plus 3 on this horizontal side and x plus 2 on the diagonal side. So it's going to be x. I'm going to create a table first. So it's going to be, we're going to put an x right here. Going to put an x right here. We're going to use x plus 3 on this side, so it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. This is x plus 3, x plus 2. So then x times x is x squared. X times 1 right here is going to be x, and then x times 1 right here will be x, and then we can fill in the square, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add up all these babies. Add up all these babies in here. So it's going to be x squared plus, there's 5 x's right here. And then plus 6 of these. So that's how you factor that one. Okay, now here is our last example. I want you to pause the video and try to solve it before I solve it. Okay, now I'm going to solve this problem. We're going to use, because you see a negative, so we have to use negative tiles for this. I'm going to put x plus 3 on the right side, so it's going to be x right here. 1, 2, 3, and then x minus 2 on the left side. So it's going to be x. I'm going to use red for the negative tiles. So x times x is x squared. X times 1, x. And then x times negative 1, so this will be negative x. And then this will be 1 times negative 1, negative 1. Okay, and then simple. After this, we basically add up all these inside, so it's x squared, you see, plus 3x minus 2x minus 6, so it's equal x squared plus x minus 6. And that's how you do it. Now for the area method, there's many ways you can do it using tiles, but this is how I do it. It may be a bit like more complicated than how he did it in his lecture, but this is how I did it.